In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add twin range filter visualized in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you've got a chart open. It can be any market and any time frame. The process will be exactly the same. Once your chart is up on the screen, we're going to start by opening the indicators menu. Look towards the top of the chart window and find the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the middle or left side of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the Indicators and Strategies panel, which is where you can search for and add any tool you want to your chart. Inside this panel, at the very top, you'll see a search box. Click directly on that search box so you can type into it. This is where we're going to look up the twin range filter visualized indicator. Start typing the name slowly and clearly. Twin range filter visualized. As you type, TradingView will filter the list below and start showing results that match what you're entering. Give it a second to load the available indicators. When you see twin range filter visualized show up in the list, hover over it to make sure it's the correct one, then click on it once. The moment you click it, TradingView will automatically add it to your current chart. You should now see the indicator appear either overlaid on your price chart or in a separate pane below, depending on how it's designed. From here, you can customize it if you want. To do that, move your mouse over the indicator's name, either on the chart or in the list of active indicators, and click on the settings icon. This lets you adjust inputs, colors, and visibility, so the twin range filter visualized matches your personal trading style and is easy for you to read. Remember, clear visuals are extremely important when you're making trading decisions, so take a moment to set it up in a way that's comfortable for you. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced tools, more charts per layout, and a smoother overall experience, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gives you a professional setup that works really well with indicators like the twin range filter visualized. And that's all there is to it. You've now added twin range filter visualized inside TradingView Pro, and you're ready to start exploring how it fits into your trading strategy.